most welcome, madam. Thank you. Hi. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you, madam?
I'm fine. Miss, come here. Is want ash.
Pardon, madam.
Me is come here. Is want ash. The judge.
I beg your pardon, madam.
Miss, come here. Is want ash. Tackle ash. I did tackle ash. Mal the
Here
judge.
is our menu. Can I have a look?
Other wish?
Yeah, that's the menu. You can have a look. Yeah, we have every kind of food, so you can make your choice.
Married, are they? Married. I did ash biryani. I did ash biryani.
Okay. Menu tojagara. Okay. So how can I help you, madam?
I did ash biryani.
Madam.
I did ash biryani.
Hey, chimeke. That is so cool.
What?
Pardon?
I did ash. Other wish.
What's ash? She married, kalidi, walidi. What's ash?
Other wish. Are the ananas. Married ananas. Married. I did ash. Mal the judge. Ash biryani.
Madam, I don't know that language. I don't get what you're saying, and I really want to take your order, but I don't know what you're saying right now. I want to help you, but the language you're using, I'm not understanding anything.
Me, I don't know Uganda. I don't know English. Shweye. I know shweye English.
Oba Ingirizi nabyo byakulya. Nze neegobye.